Regret is a heavy shadow. It whispers in your ear that you've missed your chance, that your best days are behind you. You feel that the clock has run out. You look at others who seem miles ahead, standing in the wreckage of wasted years. But in the spiritual realm, time is not a straight line. It is a tool in the hands of the Creator. Today, at Powerful Prayers, we are going to silence the voice of too late. We are calling for the restoration of the years. The Bible says that God can restore the years that the locusts have eaten. He doesn't just give you new years. He redeems the ones that were lost to pain, mistakes, or delay. When God enters your timeline, He brings a speed that defies human logic. He can take a person who feels decades behind and move them to the front of the line in a single season. Your past doesn't define your capacity for a future miracle. Your season of harvest is not canceled. Father, I come before you for the one who feels like they've lost too much time. In the holy name of Jesus, I command the spirit of regret to leave this mind right now. I decree a supernatural catch-up over your life. I call back every opportunity that was stolen and every dream that was buried. I decree that the favor of God is providing you with a shortcut to your destiny. You will no longer look back with sorrow. You will look forward with awe at how fast God is moving. I release a divine momentum into your career, your family, and your purpose. What took others 20 years will take you 20 months. The locusts have been rebuked, and the harvest is being restored. You are not late. You are prepared for an explosion of grace. The clock has been reset. Your best days are starting right now. Walk with the confidence of someone who knows the King of Time. If you felt the hope of restoration today, subscribe to Powerful Prayers and join our global family. If this prayer touched your heart, subscribe and comment, God. I will stand in agreement for your divine speed. Your future is bigger than your past.